Hi everyone, my name is Mallory Akers and I'm with the Early Learning Coalition of Pinellas County. Thanks for joining us again for our Fun Friday series. For those that don't know, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and today we're going to be doing something that's good for the mind as well as the body, gardening. Gardening is great because it's something that you can do with your child no matter what age they are, and it's something that's relatively inexpensive to do. We're going to be using materials that you probably already have at home: tin cans and egg cartons. You're also going to need seeds and potting soil. I got mine from Walmart, but you can get them from Target, Lowe's, Home Depot, or even the dollar store. We're going to start off by planting our seeds in our egg carton. Now today I'm planting basil, oregano, and chamomile. It's a beautiful day out, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that we've planted our seeds, it's time to decorate the tin cans that they will be going into once they've sprouted. Now make sure you use whatever you have lying around at home. I've already looked through my arts and crafts bucket and I found paint, markers, and pom-poms. So that's what I'm going to be using today. All right, let's get decorating. Now, depending on what you decided to plant, it might take a few days or so to see the sprouts coming up in your egg carton. Just be patient and make sure they get plenty of sunshine and water. Once you have your sprouts, it's time to put them in the tin cans.
Eventually.
And there you have it. I love gardening and I think it has so many benefits. With everyone spending so much time indoors these days, it's never been more important to be out in the fresh air and taking care of you and your child's mind and body. Not only that, but this is a great opportunity to introduce some new experiences to your child. Take the time to use some new language. Talk with them about how the seeds and the soil might feel in their hands. Ask them what they think their plants might look like once they start growing. And if you plant something edible, talk with them about how you might use it in the kitchen later on. With this activity, there are endless possibilities. Thanks for tuning in today. If this is something that you do with your child, we would love to see what you come up with. In the meantime, go ahead and check out our other videos for some more activities to do at home. We hope you and your family are staying safe and well. See you next time.